After creating the training collection, the next step is to populate it with datasets. The datasets are categorized into three groups: questions and answers, functions and embeddings. Click on the question and answer Q&A section. Here you are expected to add frequently asked questions and provide the answers so that your AI agent can learn from it. Set one or more questions and make sure to separate them by new line. The AI agent will respond to the questions based on the answers you provide. You can also add a reference URL for the visitor to refer to and learn more. In the answer box, you can do basic formatting like bolds, italics, underline, and linking. Place your cursor at the position you want the link to be placed. Then click on the small link icon. The Edit Link dialog box will pop up, and type in the text and the URL that will be opened when the text is clicked upon. See example below. The text is documentation, and the R reference link is help.jucyai.net. Click Insert when you're done, and the text will be inserted. Save it when you're done. The second category, which is the function category, has a lot of functions that can make your chatbot more robust, such as the calendar, article, form, etc. functions. To allow your agent to collect bookings from your chatbot widget, you need to integrate a calendar tool like Calendly. Click on the calendar function, then insert the URL of your calendar in the calendar URL field. In the description section, describe when the AI agent should display the calendar. That is when the calendar should appear in the conversation. Note: please remember to save. To make your AI agent respond with a recommended article, you can utilize the article function to achieve this. Click on the article function under the functions category. On the right side, paste the URL of the recommended article. Then in the description box, state when the article should be recommended. For example, you can recommend your company software help file to a visitor. When the visitor asks for your software help file, the AI agent will open the link you inserted in the chatbot widget. You can also add a picture, title, and description of the recommended article. Another very important function of the training collection is the form function. The form helps you collect visitors' data in an interactive way. Note: you need to know how to create the form before you can add the form. For more information, visit help.uci.net. Click on the form function. The form appears on the right side of the window. Select the form you have created. Then describe when the form should initiate the conversation. For example, when the visitor wants to submit a complaint. Note: please remember to save. You can also add the endpoint, method, body, and header of your API using the API request function. Also, remember to add a description to let your AI agent know when to make the request. You can also display a URL in an iframe using the iframe function. Just insert the URL of the iframe that you want to display. Then describe when the iframe should appear in the conversation. Please remember to save.